A-zone LED lighting with motion sensor, 800 lumens with 8 LEDs. What includes in the package? 110 240 power supply, the extension cable, and the screws.
A-zone bullet LED motion light. You can put it on the ceiling and on the wall as well. I love the fact that it looks like a camera. It detects motion from up to 10 to 26 feet.
Yes, the Kelvin lighting is about 6,000, so it's pretty bright white. Pretty simple to install. As we see, we mounted there with the 3 screws, as we saw in the beginning, console ready with the screws and the 12-volt power supply. This one is rated for 100 and 240, so you can use it anywhere around the world. Yes, the cable, and plus I like this too, comes with the cable extension. All right, let's plug it in. Now, during the day, see, the light is off, so when it gets dark, it will automatically turn on, and it has automatic 2 modes. When there's no motion, the LED light is nice and soft light. Soon as it seems a movement, it will light up. So let's see that now. So we turn off the light, and now it's dark, and we can see already light up, but it's soft light right now. So when it gets dark, we see the light about 10%, so it's always soft light, 10%. Now, as soon as things move, so let's say we walk close to the light, comes on, and we can see now how powerful this thing is, and definitely looks like a camera. All right, Menina?
All right.
Thank you.